It's absolutely beautiful to drive through the Rockies. This is Idaho Springs. Woohoo! It's snowing. Whoa! This sucks. The joy of trucking. It's gonna be great. A video about trucking and all the joyous wonders that it fucking brings. It's definitely one of the less glamorous sides to doing what I do. I drove everywhere. I didn't film everywhere that I went, but I got a good decent amount of my travels on the road behind the wheel. Yeah, just going crazy behind the wheel. Beautiful fucking scenery. Just beauty on the road. This is such a beautiful drive. I drove everywhere. Just losing your fucking mind. It's very pretty here. And then most recently, my stint stuck in Donner Pass through a snowstorm. The joys of trucking. So yeah, it's snowing out here in Donner Pass, and have to put chains on the truck. This is Camilo's first time driving in snow, so luckily I saw him on the side of the road and I stopped to give him a hand. But this is it. Chains on the truck. Yep. This is fun. This is real fun. Failed attempt at putting Camilo's chains on. What? Because they're not the right size.
Don't fuck with me right now. I'm not in the mood.
You can see he's pretty distraught about it. Keep going. All right, there you go. It is kind of bullshit that he doesn't have the right size chains.
So fucking pissed off.
All right.
Thanks for your help.
Yep.
Yeah.
Best of luck to you tomorrow.
Yeah. Just go.
It is. There you have you. I got my chains on. It's dark now in the storm, so I'm gonna get back on the road here, shake off all my hands in the snow. Not a good idea, I tell ya. Highly recommend you get yourself some snow boots. Shortly after putting the chains on and leaving Camilo, I'm at a dead stop. I only need to go about 80 more miles before I stop for the night, but going 0 miles per hour, it's gonna take a while. It's 5 o'clock. This is 5 in the afternoon. What a storm. What a storm indeed. Yeah. So yeah, it's 9 o'clock at night. Drove straight through the storm, and I have yet to get through this pass. And we're at a complete dead stop. Ultra fun. It's probably a crash up there somewhere. I'm gonna be sitting here for forever. 2 hours and I'm in the exact same spot. I've had to go out several times to take the ice off of the windshield so that I could still see. Every time I go out there, it seems like the wind wants to kick up more. I think I'm finally going to get out of here. We're out of the mountains. It's a new day. I slept a little bit in the truck when we were stopped there, but I guess it wasn't enough. So I pulled off at this Vista Point. Not a bad view, I guess. It's pretty neat, yeah. After that, I think GoPro's done, man. I think it needs to be charged. So I'll see you all at home. So yeah, that's it. I did a lot more driving than just that. I just did the math. I was on 26 different shows this last year, so I'm not gonna film every fucking mile. Fuck that shit. But yeah, fun stuff. Here's the 2020. My sniz here. One last thing I want to say. A kid doing this shit, this is fucking awesome. Because every time I see it, it makes my fucking day. It's sometimes on the road, you really need that. Keep it up, kiddos. Fuck, I love coffee.